smoke looks cool. What's up, Bossalinas? Oh, I'm supposed to do I was gonna do a video where I'm like, I was just gonna do one video where I'm like, hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Angry D. Here, we're gonna do another ride to work today. Gonna have a good time. Let's go, huh? All right, guys, let's do this. Just gonna do one of those because I'm almost convinced that the algorithm listens for that shit. I was just gonna try to do a video like that and see if the algorithm picks up on it, because it just seems like it does, you know. Every channel that's on my homepage, when I click on the video, or something that's got hundreds of thousands of views or 1 million subscribers, the guy is always like that. He's very instructional in the way he speaks, you know, versus just being like, hey, what's up, y'all? You know, it's like he's talking to kids or a classroom. Like, is there a school that these weirdos go to? I always look 1,000 times because I don't trust my brain. I'm like, nah, bullshit. Nah, let me check one more time. Oh, whoa, ah. I was ready. Camera might get all misted up. I hope not. I'm out the way, bro. Go ahead. Yep, see? I know what's up. I always get out the way, bro. If I'm in the right lane and I ain't turning, especially on the bike, I get out the way. We run a little bit late today. I found a puppy. I was walking my dogs down the alley and I heard something fluffing behind us. And I turned around, it was this little Shih Tzu. Her name was Princess Peach. Here, I'll show you. So I'm walking my dogs earlier and I noticed, I heard something behind us. And I turn around and what do I find? This little lady. This little girl. And look, I looked at, I found her tag. Oh, there's a big dog back there. Her little tag, her name's Princess Peach. little Princess Peach. All right, sweet lady, let's go to your house. Let's get your address here. Let's get your address. Let me see. Oh, it's okay. I'm not gonna let him get you, baby. What's your address? It is. Okay. It's got a phone number, but it goes straight to voicemail. She's the sweetest little girl. Look at her. I'm taking you home, little girl. Where you live? Whatever side I go on is the side she goes on. Nope, that's not it. We're gonna find it. She's looking for a house. Look. Is it this one? Nope, not that one. Which one is it, Princess Peach? Oh, you keep going under my feet. You little goober. You little goober. Come on, we're gonna go find your house. I think I know where you live. This is the second time I found this dog. The first time I found her, she was a tiny little puppy. How'd you get out, Princess Peach? You people are gonna be looking, they're gonna be so upset. Is this your house right here? I think it is. Is this your house? Come on, let's go knock on your door. Princess Peach, look at all this commotion you're causing. You're making me late for work. Yep, this is it. Is this your house? Yes. I know it is. It's written on your neck. Hello. This thing look familiar?
Appreciate you.
No worries, man. Sorry to wake you up, dude.
No, you're good.
I got it. Yeah, I just clipped it right. There we go. I was walking my dogs and something caught, and she was just following us down the alley. All right, little girl. You have a good day.
Appreciate you bringing her home.
Yeah, no worries, man. Take care, dude. Cute little dog. She's a sweet girl. Hell yeah, dude. We got her home. Nice. We were walking down the alley and I just turned around and the little dog was following us. She knew she needed help. She's like, excuse me, can you help me find my house? All right. Well, I'll see y'all. Yeah, dude, we got her home. It's so cool. I was like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with this dog? Anytime you find a dog, you're like, all right, I want to help. But then you get the dog and you're like, what am I gonna do with this freaking dog? I gotta go to work. They put the address on the dog's little tag, which is a very good idea. Somebody's gonna come over. Tripped up. Ooh, you're not supposed to do that. Tell you what, having a YouTube channel is just one big series of highs and lows. Oh crap, look at this traffic up here. Kind of like riding a motorcycle. Highs and lows, baby. Right now we're on a low. I don't know, man, we go from blowing up to nobody showing up. Every time I start thinking, screw this, I'm quitting. Not worth the work. Some shit happens that just kicks me right in the ass and tells me, no, keep going, we're getting somewhere. This morning I woke up, I checked my Instagram, and I see that we have been mentioned in the Instagram story of Goldhoney. I twerk to twerk, twerk, twerk. I twerk to twerk, twerk, twerk. That's her song. Her and Amy Bobby. It's Goldhoney featuring Amy. Hey, what up, homie? And it's her. They found us talking about her on the live stream. Like they found me showing the video, and probably because YouTube notifies you when I do. So, but that means they know who we are now, y'all. They know who we are now, bro. And so I messaged her. I was like, hey, because when somebody mentions you in their story, it sends it to you in a message. Y'all know that, right? I'm telling you how Instagram works. I'm an idiot, and I'm telling you how Instagram works. I've been on there like a year. So, what's going on up here? Something crazy. So I was like, yo, cause you know, we're not making fun of them, but we're not exactly being super flattering either, you know. I was like, hey, listen, I hope you know that's all out of love, right? And me and the Bossalinas, I was like, me and the subscribers, the Bossalinas, we're your biggest fans. You and her are like, we love y'all, you know, and we would love to get y'all on the live stream. I don't know, I just sent some stuff, whatever, I don't remember what I said. But it was basically along the lines of that, right? So hopefully they reach back out. How sick would that be, bro? If we can get Goldhoney, I'll take Goldhoney. If we can get Goldhoney on the stream, that's one step closer to Amy. And yo, Goldhoney's awesome. Bro, her other songs are all good. She rocks, bro. We're about to go deeper into Goldhoney and check her out. Ooh. Man, that ain't what I meant. Stop it. And if you don't know who I'm talking about, let me put Goldhoney's IG up here. Y'all go check this girl out. She is amazing, bro. Her beats are good, and her attitude, bro. She don't give a... Just like Amy, bro. She don't fucking care. She don't care what you think of her. She knows she's beautiful, and that's all she needs to know. Till I get up close to the cars. Weird. I like take a break when I get away from them. So yeah, The reason I was bumming out on the channel is we have 50,000 subscribers. That's not a reason to be bummed. That's a reason to celebrate. But my new video has 500 views, which is what, 1%? Come on, Rosalina. Come on. I'd be happy with 2,000. I'd be real happy with 5,000. Hey, come on over, why don't you? Fucking stupid fucking guy. He didn't know I was there. I seen him turn his head. Whoa, shit, when he saw me. I twerk, 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 twerk. I twerk, 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 twerk. So I was just like, you know what? For 500 views, my entire week is not worth it. You know? And I know if I quit making so many videos, we'll fall off and we'll just be obscure. Holy crap, dude! Look at this fog! Woo! Speeding into the freaking void, dude. Silent Hill, here we go. Oh my goodness. Holy shit, dude. I can't see nothing. This mist ain't helping nothing either. Alright, Bossolinas, it's probably to the point where you can't even see no more. Sometimes you can turn sideways, but you gotta build the moisture up so it can grab and collect. I ain't got enough moisture yet. I need more moisture. Speed to the void, dude. Holy crap. Holy crap. Dude, there's a red light up here somewhere. Dude. Holy shit, dude. Alright, Bossolinas. This shit was fun. Today's a good day. We're definitely down views. We usually get about 125,000 views a day. That's on the low side, right? On the low side. Now it's at 40,000. No, my bad. It's at 20,000 because it's 46,000 for 2 days right now. So we're also down way big time in views, everything. That's just, I was like, you know what? Screw this channel. Screw all this work. I'm just gonna live stream, kick it with the Bossolinas. But then Goldhoney, I love you, girl. Thank you. Thank you, Goldhoney. Thank you, Amy B. Bobby. Thank you for making music. You guys make us all happy, and we appreciate it. It means a lot to a lot of people. Eat my balls! Yeah, dude! Mmm! And watch this. Good, ain't it? Sweet. I wish that motherfucker would, dude. He'll never get out that truck. I'm sitting right here on a bike. He could easily get off that truck and come do something about anything he wants. He won't. Look at him back there. Listen to him. Fucking little girl. What's wrong, baby girl? What's wrong, mama? What's wrong, my love? She mad. Ooh, I can't see nothing. I can see now. Bitch, I'm a Bossalina. Alright, Bossolinas.